Hi everyone, I'm Heidi with Onigo Stamping. I am so excited for our virtual catalog launch party coming up in just 2 weeks. But apparently I am really bad at surprises, like waiting for surprises to happen. So I thought I would just jump on here and do a quick project featuring one of our new stamp sets that's gonna be in the upcoming catalog. The stamp set I'm gonna be using is Forever Fern, which is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to show you a quick technique using the stamp set, and shouldn't take more than just a few minutes. So Onigo, let's get stamping. Close your eyes and get ready to roll down. Okay, hopefully, there we go. Hopefully that is straight and flat, and I can keep in the right spot and not hit the camera holder. All right, so here we go. So this is the Forever Fern stamp set, which features a number of different ferns and some sayings, and it's absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to show you a quick stamping technique with this that is a faux watercolor background. So I'm going to start with a clear block and a piece of Whisper white cardstock that I have cut down to be 5 1/4 inches by 4 inches, right? So just a standard card front. I'm going to start. I have 5 colors of ink. I have Soft Seafoam, Pear Pizzazz, Garden Green, Shaded Spruce, and Pretty Peacock. And you see I've kind of piled them up from the lightest to the darkest. So I'm going to start with the Soft Seafoam. I'm just going to open that up, and I'm just going to tap that on the edge of this clear block. All right. And put that one away and grab some Pear Pizzazz. Now I'm going to take my Pear Pizzazz and I'm going to lay some down right next to that Soft Seafoam. And I want to just kind of use the edge because I don't want to get the whole ink pad. So you can see I just added a little bit there. And I'm going to do the same thing with the Garden Green. Just adding a little bit right up next to and kind of overlapping just a little bit that Pear Pizzazz. And now with the Shaded Spruce. Just tapping on a little bit more. And then finally with the Pretty Peacock. Which isn't really green, it's more blue, but it works really well with the other colors. So next what I'm going to do, I have those all kind of stamped on there, and I am just going to take a spritzer with a little bit of water in it. I'm going to move my paper out of the way because I don't want it to get wet. And I am just going to spritz my clear block just a little bit. Oops. Get it pointed in the right direction. Just, just a little tiny bit. And I'm going to kind of let those colors run just a little bit. I don't want them to run too much, but just a little bit to kind of let them run into each other. And now I'm going to come in with that piece of Whisper white cardstock. Oops, and see there was water on my table, but okay, here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and stamp that right on my cardstock. And you'll get different results each time you do it, okay? Try to wipe some of that water away. Now I'm going to go ahead and use one of the fern stamps from the Forever Ferns stamp set. Like I said, this is upcoming in the new catalog, and what's really great is it also has dies that go with it that we are going to be using for the catalog launch, as well as beautiful, beautiful designer series paper that we'll also be using during the catalog launch. I'm going to put a piece of scrap paper under here. So I'm just going to come back in with that pretty peacock ink, and I am just going to stamp some leaves right here. Just a little bit up here. Now, oops, I'm going to keep out that pretty peacock, and I'm going to stamp my hello greeting right down over under my other images. And now the other stamp that I forgot to pull out is there's this fun little speckle stamp. So I'm just going to pull that out, stick it on the back here, and I'm just going to add just a few little speckles in there. All right, just like that, quick and super easy. So I'm going to put my ink pads away, and now all we have to do is finish this card. So now, this piece was 5 1/4 by 4 inches. I just have a regular piece of Whisper White cardstock that is 8 1/2 by 5 1/2. It's been folded in half, and I am just going to adhere this to the front using Stampin' Dimensionals. I like to use a fair amount of Stampin' Dimensionals on here because I want it to really, hold up and not get all flattened. So I'm just going to add some, cover the whole thing, and then pull off all those backings. And then I'm just going to adhere it to my card base. Super quick and easy, simple wow card. Oops, I had some ink on my hands. That's not good. But there you go. Quick and easy, simple wow card. Just, fun to make. So I can't wait to see you in just 2 weeks for our catalog launch party. And it's going to be a great time. See you then. Bye-bye.